In this video, I'm going to talk about electron configuration in chemistry. The cool thing about electron configuration is it's kind of like the address to where an electron is located, just like an address where you live. So for me, I used to live in Garland, Texas, and my address was 2002 Mill Creek Road, Garland, Texas, 75044. Almost forgot my old childhood address there. Well, for an electron, the format of that address looks really, really different, but essentially that's all it is just an address. Your periodic table is a cheat sheet to this address, but in order to be able to use that, we have to understand some different things about it. So just to review a few things that you do need to remember and know for your quiz is that everything here is an alkali metal. Everything here is an alkaline earth metal. Ladies and gentlemen, these things never go away. You gotta know it, especially this one. Everything here is called a transition metal. If you're not taking notes and copying, you should be, unless you just absolutely have it all memorized. This column is your halogen, and this column is your noble gases. Remember, noble gases are not reactive, halogens are super reactive, and alkali metals are actually super reactive as well. These down here are called your inner transition. Remember, one thing we talked about was that these right here actually belong here. So it makes the periodic table super long, which is why it's called inner transition. Now we're going to add another layer to this, and it's that we have 4 blocks. They're called the S, P, D, F blocks. The letters don't really mean anything. It's just what somebody called them. So you need to know where they're all located. The first one is the S block. They're going to be orange with us. And it's everything. It's all your alkali metals. It's all your alkaline earth metals. And it's helium. Next, you have your P block. And they're going to be all of these right here. Oh, don't you love my artistic skills? It's absolutely wonderful. All right, now we have our D blocks, which are everything here, all of our transition metals. And last but not least, and will be yellow because I'm out of highlighter colors, is our F block, which will be our yellow. Feel free to press pause and make yours nice and pretty, but also realize you got more to cover before your quiz. So this was our S, this was our P, this was our D, and this is our F. So you need to know where the blocks are located to write in on the configuration and to answer some questions on your quiz. And you need to know that alkali metals and alkaline earth metals are your S blocks. Your transition metals are also called D block. Your inner transition are also called F block. And your halogens and noble gases belong in that P block. So you just kind of have to remember that. Another thing I need you to remember is your group numbers. We have 1A, 2A, all of this. The actual numbers are not necessarily important right now for those, but remember these also have a number. And I need you to remember that these actually stand for energy levels. So hydrogen, which is right here, is in row 1. It means it has 1 energy level. Whereas lithium is right here, so it would have 2 energy levels, and so forth all the way down here. So wherever silver is, it's in here somewhere, it's in the 5th energy level, which means it has a total of 5 energy levels because it's in row 5. So just keep that in mind as we're moving forward. Now, each one of you got 2 blank periodic tables if you're in my class anyways. So your first one's going to be nice and colored like this, and then I'm going to show you what the next one's going to be in the next video.